protection is key for frontline health workers in the fight against COVID-19. To further empower them in Ajeromi Ifelodun Lga to combat COVID-19 in the area, the authorities of the council, under the leadership of Ajeromi, distributed personal protective equipment with several pieces of face shields and nose masks to frontline workers in the Lga. The chairman said apart from the provision of materials, his administration will continue to provide incentives to frontline health workers.
Coming all out to do this awesome job, we that they are doing it for, we must appreciate them and encourage them to do more because they are putting their lives at risk. Well, basically what we have come here to do today is to give them some PPE, that's a personal protective equipment. We are distributing over 200 face shield today to our frontline health workers. This shield, you can see, is not to be used for too long too, but it's also replaceable. We are also giving out customized face masks from Ajeromi Ifelodun Local Government. It's stated there that this is Ajeromi Ifelodun Local Government. We are also giving it out to some of our health workers and the public in general. So that is what. Then we also appreciated them by giving them some basic incentives to cushion the effect of COVID-19.
He advised residents to adhere strictly to precautionary health measures in order to stay safe in the midst of the community spread of coronavirus in the state.
We should maintain social distance and maintain personal hygiene. It is for their own good. And the stage we have now is the stage where we have community transmission of this COVID-19. We should stay at home. If you don't have anything to do outside, stay at home. And if you have anything to do, you can also do it online. If you can't, you must maintain social distance and maintain personal hygiene.
Health workers in the Lga who received the materials commended the council's leadership for encouraging frontline health workers in the council.
Yes, we are giving face masks, and we are giving the rubber face mask, which is we have to wear it from our head, that will prevent our faces, so that even while doing our job, and we are having itching from any part of the body, maybe from the eyes, from the noses, from the mouth, because we have that gadget protecting that face, we won't be able to touch our faces. For the Lagosians generally, I want to tell them that this COVID-19 is real. It's there with us in the community. We're having the community infections now, so we should take to the advice of the government and those ones that the health worker, like we are in the primary health care center, which we give preventive measures. We tell people how to prevent themselves. They should stick to the advice and do what they were asked to do. If they don't have anywhere to go, they should stay indoors. And those that are out there that have one thing or the other to do, they should wash their hands regularly, use their sanitizer, and keep to what the government says.
I think it is commendable, and it is really encouraging because health workers generally have been working at the grassroots in the front line for the past 6 to 7 weeks in order to ensure that we are able to curtail the spread of this virus within the local government. For him to have come here today and do what he has done, it shows that he recognizes what we have done and he really appreciates it. And on our home part, it is something that is really encouraging, and it will only make us to do more.
With this assistance, frontline health workers in the Lga will be encouraged to deliver services in a safe environment in the fight against COVID-19.